And today we're keeping a close eye on those winds and also tracking out rain that is going to be moving in later tonight. But throughout our day today, we can expect to see some showers. Most of that activity can be expected along the coast. But highs are expected for 55 for Medford and Grants Pass, 54 for Klamath Falls, Lakeview at 48, 56 for Yreka, and along the coast 56 for Brookings. In general, throughout our day today, expect skies to be overcast to mostly cloudy. But the main concern, besides the precipitation, where we see most of that overnight tonight and into tomorrow, are going to be those winds. A wind advisory in place across the majority of the region. We can see those gusts anywhere from about 50 to 55 miles per hour in these areas. And we also have a high wind warning in place where those gusts can be anywhere from 55 to 75 miles per hour. 75 miles per hour means higher terrain areas over east side, but along the coast and into lower terrain portions of this could also see those gusts up to about 65 miles per hour. Now, that's not the only places that'll be seeing those gustier winds, especially as we work our way into the Rogue Valley. If you're anywhere near Ashland, Talent, Phoenix area, we're going to see those wind gusts pick up more so as well, especially as we switch later into your Thursday and overnight Friday, but we should start to see them subside as we switch over into tomorrow. Now, what can we expect through our Friday? Because an atmospheric river is here, but most of that activity today is going to be north of the region, and snow levels are going to be rather high, but they start lowering throughout our Friday, and that's when we can expect some of that higher elevation accumulation. Winds are expected to be strong through our Friday as well, and here's a look at what we can expect through Stormcast. Notice today that precipitation stays well to our north, but we'll see that shower activity throughout the day, mainly along the coast, but again, we have the potential to see showers areas inland. And then as we get into the overnight hours, that's when we'll start to see that band of precipitation work its way southward, and rain's going to be coming down moderate to heavy at times, especially if you're along the coast and into western Siskiyou County. And notice by the time we're into Friday morning, snow levels begin to lower as well. But by the time we're seeing them lower a bit closer to about 5,000 feet or so, maybe a little bit lower in a few areas, showers are going to be wrapping up and they will be rather light. So we're not expecting to see any huge travel impacts into your Friday, but do proceed with caution through those lower pass levels above, I'd say about 4,000 feet, because we could see some slick spots through your Friday and into your Saturday morning. In terms of precipitation, rather light through your day today, but then as we switch into your Friday and Saturday, that's when that bulk of the precipitation is going to come down. Again, most of that is going to be areas along the coast. And as we switch into next week, it is going to be a little bit drier for your Saturday, but that next system moves into your Sunday. Look at your 7 days forecast for the coast. Again, it is going to be rather windy over the next few days over into Northern California. Temperatures will drop a bit into your Saturday as we start to dry out. Into the Klamath Basin, it'll be some chilly mornings ahead. Your Saturday is expected to be a bit drier. Over into the mountains, we're tracking out some higher elevation snow for your Friday. And finally back over into the Rogue Valley, wet through your Friday, and our next storm system moves in on Sunday.